Dear friends, imagine a moment in the future when a massive celestial body carrying an unimaginable destructive force is hurtling straight toward Earth. This is not a fictional story from Hollywood movies, but a worrying reality. An asteroid with a powerful name, Apophis. It's coming back. And this time its threat is no longer as distant as before. Asteroid Apophis, named after the god of destruction in ancient Egyptian mythology, is on a trajectory toward Earth. What will happen when it passes by? Are we truly safe, or is this a warning of a potential cosmic catastrophe? Join us on a journey to delve into the details of this terrifying asteroid, to understand what might happen, and to explore whether humanity has the means to confront this looming disaster. Apophis, or 99,942 Apophis, was first discovered on June 19, 2004, by astronomers at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona. What makes Apophis unique is its orbit, which positions it as one of the most potentially threatening celestial bodies to Earth. With a diameter of approximately 340 meters, Apophis is twice the size of a football field and significantly larger than many asteroids that have approached Earth in the past. Right after its discovery, scientists conducted a series of calculations regarding Apophis's orbit. Initial estimates indicated a 2.7% chance of collision in the year 2029, a figure that caused considerable concern within the scientific community. However, thanks to precise observations using ground-based telescopes and radar, the probability of impact in 2029 has since been reduced to nearly zero. Imagine what would happen if Apophis collided with Earth. With an energy equivalent to approximately 880 million tons of TNT, such an impact would generate an explosion thousands of times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. If Apophis were to strike the ocean, it would create colossal tsunamis, reaching heights of several hundred meters, devastating everything in their path. If it landed on solid ground, the impact would result in a crater hundreds of meters deep and up to 5 kilometers wide. But that's not all. The heat from the explosion would vaporize everything within tens of kilometers around the impact site, and the dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere would obscure the sky for months or even years. This phenomenon is known as a meteor winter, when sunlight is blocked, leading to a global temperature drop, disrupting the food chain, and potentially triggering mass extinction events similar to what occurred with the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Apophis will come closest to Earth on April 13th, 2029, a date when the asteroid will pass by at a distance of only about 31,000 kilometers, much closer than many geostationary satellites. This will be the closest approach of such a large object without impacting our planet in modern history. Although the possibility of a collision in 2029 has been ruled out, we must remain vigilant for future encounters. In 2036, Apophis will make another close approach, and while the probability of an impact then is also low, it still represents a threat that must be closely monitored. Scientists are continuously tracking even the smallest changes in Apophis's orbit and using advanced technology to ensure that we are not caught off guard if any unexpected alterations occur. Since the discovery of Apophis, space agencies such as NASA and ESA have started researching methods to protect Earth from asteroid threats. One of the most frequently mentioned strategies is deflection, using a spacecraft to impact the asteroid and alter its trajectory. A prominent example of this is NASA's DART mission, which was designed to test the capability of changing the orbit of the asteroid Dimorphos in 2022. In addition to deflection, other proposals include using laser energy or deploying nuclear bombs in space to fragment the asteroid. However, each plan comes with its own set of challenges, and the time available to prepare for an emergency scenario like Apophis is limited. It is crucial to have international cooperation, not only between space agencies but also among scientists, governments, and the public, to ensure that humanity can respond effectively to any potential threats from space. Apophis is coming back, serving as a reminder of the fragility of our planet, but it's also an opportunity for us to prepare and demonstrate the brilliance of human ingenuity. We've made significant advances in science and technology, and now is the time to use these tools to safeguard Earth from cosmic threats. Let's come together and take action to ensure a safer future for ourselves and for generations to come. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest news about science and space exploration.